Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to master Google Classroom from both the teacher and student perspectives. This complete walkthrough will help you navigate every feature smoothly, whether you're managing a course or participating as a learner. Let's start with the teacher setup. First, visit classroom.google.com and log in. Using a school-issued account is recommended for full feature access. Once you're in, look for the plus sign at the top right, click it, and choose Create Class. Fill in your class name, section, and subject. You can add a room number if you like, then hit Create to launch your digital workspace. Next, let's add participants. Head to the People tab to invite students by email. For a faster option, simply give your students the unique class code so they can join manually. You can also invite colleagues as co-teachers here to collaborate on the curriculum. The Classwork tab is where you'll build your lessons. Click Create to see options like assignments, quizzes, or sharing materials. Pick the format that fits your needs and add your content. Be sure to include clear instructions and due dates to keep everyone on track. As students turn in work, you'll focus on evaluation. Return to Classwork, open an assignment, and select a student's file. You can assign grades and leave specific comments right there, creating a helpful feedback loop for their growth. For students, getting started is easy. Go to classroom.google.com, click the plus icon, and select Join Class. Enter the code provided by your instructor to enter the classroom immediately. Inside the class, use the Classwork tab to find your tasks. Click an assignment to see the details and any attached files. You can complete your work using tools like Google Docs or Slides. Just remember to hit the Turn In button when you're finished to submit it officially. Stay connected through the Stream tab, which acts as a hub for announcements and group discussions. You can post comments or ask questions here to engage with your peers and teacher. Finally, check your progress in the Classwork tab. This is where you'll find your grades and teacher feedback. Use these notes to revise and resubmit your work if allowed. That covers the essentials of using Google Classroom effectively. These steps will ensure a productive experience for everyone involved. Thanks for watching.